Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is ESP32-CAM surveillance camera system using PIR sensor, Arduino, home automation and SMS alert. So in this project we are using an ESP32 camera for surveillance camera and Arduino Uno R3 home automation as well as surveillance controlling. So in this project we are using an 16x2 LCD display, 4 relay coils, relay 1 SPDT relay, single pole double through relay. So purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the bulb. Bulb 1, relay 2, bulb 2, relay 3, bulb 3, relay 4 and bulb 4. So PIR sensor, proximity infrared detector to detect the human presence. Any human is there or not. If any human detected, it will capture the photo and store into the SD card and it will send to the email alert. And GSM SIM 800L. So SPDT relay for on and off PIR detected. Power supply, orange color LED and one green color LED. This is my entire block diagram. So here we are using an Android app, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4, on and off, fan on, fan off, all on, all off. So here a total my entire hardware kit. So ESP32 camera module and a PIR sensor, SPDT relay, power supply module. So on and off. So if the person is going outside home, must and should it should be on. So then if PIR will detect, capture the photo, store into the SD card. Okay, so you can check all those photos through any adapter. Okay, so here 16x2 LCD display, one green color LED, orange color LED, fan and 4 relay coil, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4 and one GSM modem SIM 800L we are using. Okay, so here we can get the alerts on the, so here we are getting the alerts. Okay, captured photo alerts we are getting, and as well as here is my coding part, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 LCD display and bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. Okay, bulb relay 4 means fan, LED, orange color LED and green color LED. PIR sensor, it is connected to the 6th pin, and one switch function, whether it is a switch to on and off. Okay, so we are getting the alerts. So now I am connecting this to my computer so we can see the, okay, so SD card. So these are all the captured photos. Okay, now let's start with the power supply. Okay, oh sorry, it should be in off mode only. Okay, so PIR sense, okay, relays all off and fan is also off, GSM connected, echo. So here we will get the, received test message will be received, title name. Okay, sending SMS, PIR deactive, press the button, GSM based home automation and app controlling system. So PIR is deactivated. Now I am controlling the appliances. Okay, long press. Okay, bulb 1 on. Okay, relay 1 on, cancel, and bulb 2 on, relay 2 on. Okay, bulb 3 long press. Okay, relay 3 on. Okay, bulb 3 on, success, bulb 3 on, success, fan on, fan on. Okay, fan is also on. Bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, relay 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. SPDT relay, single pole double through relay, fan on success. Okay, fan on success. Okay, so now all off. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, all are off. Okay, now let's see our setup. Okay, so here bulb 1 on, bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, bulb 3 on, bulb 3 off, fan on, fan off, all on, all off. Okay, so if I am going to press this, all should be on. All units on. Okay, so we will receive one SMS alert, all units on success. We will receive one SMS, all units on success. Okay, so now I'm going to stop individually, so I need to press long press. Okay, bulb should be 1 off, bulb 2 off, bulb 1 off. Now now SMS will coming very slow, maybe one by one it will come. Bulb 1 off. Okay, so at the same time I am going for all units off. Okay, SMS will come step by step. Okay, so if this function is continuously going on, okay, so we will off, we are going outside now. So I will check for fan off. Now all units off. Now I am going. Okay, all units off. So now I am going outside. So now security system should be on. Okay, security is on. So PIR sensor active, theft detected. So theft detected. So it will send the photo to our okay, with Gmail, and it will send the alert also, and it will sending the SMS alert also. Okay, theft alert it will send. Theft detected, and it is capturing the photo and it is attaching into the drive, and as well as it is sending to our email alert. I will show. Okay, now I am going to activate this theft sensor. Okay, so now theft is detected, and it will send you the alert in the screen. Theft alert detected, sending SMS. Yeah, theft alert, please check your mail, please check your mail. So we will see, we can see in your our okay, Gmail. Go to Gmail, camera. Okay, theft detected. Okay, yeah, we are getting the alert 7:37 a.m. Okay, again we are getting the alerts, captured image and attached. Okay, 7:37. Okay, and we can see our so this is sender mail. In the sender mail, okay, so this is receiver mail photo. Okay, so here we are captured image photo is attached. Okay, so you can download and check it. So PIR sensor deactive. Okay, all units on. Fan on. Okay, all units off. Okay, and if PIR is active, theft alert, theft detected, and it will capture the photo and it will send to the, so here we will receive theft alert or anything. Okay, so as well as email alert. Yeah, SMS alert received, theft detected, please check mail. Okay, so we will receive one email alert also. Okay, so thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.